Welcome to our channel. If you need to apply for WIC and other USDA nutrition programs for families, follow these step-by-step instructions to access these vital resources. Step 1. Determine which USDA nutrition program fits your family's needs. WIC serves pregnant women, new mothers, and children under 5, while SNAP serves all low-income families. Step 2. Check eligibility requirements for WIC, which include income limits, state residency, and nutritional risk assessment. Income must be at or below 185% of the federal poverty guidelines. Step 3. Locate your local WIC office using the WIC clinic locator on the USDA website or by calling your state's WIC hotline. Step 4. Contact your local WIC office to schedule an appointment. Some states allow you to pre-screen for eligibility online before visiting the office. Step 5. Gather required documents including proof of income, like pay stubs or tax returns, proof of identity, proof of residence, and immunization records for children. Step 6. Attend your WIC appointment where staff will verify your eligibility, assess nutritional risk, and provide nutrition education. Bring all household members who will receive benefits. Step 7. If approved, receive your WIC card or vouchers and learn which foods are covered by the program. WIC provides specific nutritious foods like infant formula, milk, eggs, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Step 8. Use your benefits at authorized WIC vendors and attend required nutrition education sessions and health screenings to maintain eligibility. Recertify every 6 to 12 months as required. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.